help children learn by talking, by singing, by reading, and by playing. Research shows us that children's brains connect up much quicker when they are active, when they're not sitting, when they are playing. Playing is the children's work. Hobbies are adult play. We all have hobbies. When we do our hobbies, we want to get better. We want to learn things in a different way, maybe. We might need to do our hobby with somebody. We might need to communicate. We might need to use teamwork. We want to get better and better at our hobby. We want to be thinking, we think creatively about how we're going to make something or how we're going to tackle a problem. Hobbies are adult play. We enjoy our hobbies. We want to get better at our hobbies. And children want to do exactly the same in their play. They want to create something. They want to find out about things. They want to get better and better at doing things. Play is children's research. They want to find out about things. Here are some 4-year-olds playing. They're using these small cabbages, which we call Brussels sprouts in England. They want to find out about them. They're taking them apart in the picture. They were given this big bag of Brussels sprouts to use creatively during the week. They weighed them, they cooked them, they painted with them. As you can see, they took them apart. And as the children were doing this, they were talking with each other. They were explaining things to each other. They were using their imagination too in what they did with the parts that they took off. In fact, they ended up sticking them on a piece of paper. So these are 4-year-olds investigating. These are 2-year-olds, and they've been given big cabbages. They smell, they taste them. They sound different when the children pull off the leaves. They're all cabbages, but they are very different. And the child, using their curiosity, will look to find what is the same about them and what is different about them. I mean, the fact that they're different colours, for example. Some are wrinkly, some are very smooth. Some are very easy to pull off the leaves, others aren't.